Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by signing in and loading source material. Do that now. Once signed in, create a new notebook and import 1-3 documents or paste text directly. This seeds the model with context. Make sure your files are clean. Remove private strings and duplicate pages so answers stay accurate. While importing, tag files or add a short summary to guide the model. This first step speeds retrieval and helps Notebooklm prioritize the most relevant passages for later queries. Once your content is loaded, refine context by annotating key sections and setting a clear notebook goal. That tells the system how to frame responses. Then ask focused prompts: who, what, when, how, and include constraints, for example, 300 words or bullet format, so answers match your needs. Make sure to reference page numbers or paragraph snippets when you need precision. If an answer is too broad, follow up with a clarification question to narrow scope and improve relevance. Finalize by exporting summaries or Q&A, or share the notebook with collaborators. Choose the format that fits your workflow. Always validate key facts against the original documents. If something looks off, correct it immediately to avoid propagating errors. If Notebooklm gives unexpected or empty results, reindex the sources, simplify your prompt, or refresh the session. These steps usually clear cache-related issues. One key troubleshooting tip: when answers diverge, reduce scope and point to the exact page or paragraph for the model to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.